Most people think that being a landlord means passive income and freedom. They think you just collect rent and relax. Social media shows luxury, but not the work behind it. Because real estate is not passive in the beginning. It's responsibility, it's management, and it's problem solving. And if you're a beginner in Canada thinking about building wealth, this might change your perspective because one property can change your financial future, but only if you're willing to manage it the right way. I work as a truck driver. That's my main job. I'm on the road daily. But during my breaks, I manage our rentals. I became a self managed landlord by choice. So, what does it mean? I screen tenants myself. I collect rent. I market rentals. I answer inquiries. I schedule maintenance. I coordinate repairs. And I handle all the communication. I didn't outsource everything when I started. I learned the system first. I understood the numbers first. Then I scaled. You don't need to be rich to start. You need discipline and execution. Real estate became my second source of income, built around my full time job. A day in my life as a landlord. You check rental payments, I confirm deposits, reply to tenant messages. Quick responses prevents bigger problems later. And during my breaks, instead of scrolling my phone, I review tenant applications. I screen potential renters. I verify employment. I check references. And I analyze credit history. Screening properly saves thousands later. One bad tenant can cause missed payment, legal stress, and property damage. So I treat every tenant selection like business due diligence. Problems always happen. Examples are minor plumbing issues, appliance breakdown, heating system concerns. So what I do, I assess urgency, contact trusted contractors, and schedule any repairs efficiently. Key mindset. Maintenance isn't a loss. It protects property value, tenant satisfaction, long-term appreciation. Smart landlords budget for repairs. They don't fear them. The numbers that matter. Here's what makes it powerful. Example, rent collected at 2,500. Mortgage plus expenses is 2,100. Cash flow is $400. That $400 might feel small, but imagine having three properties. $400 turns into 1,200. Five properties into $2,000. Now combine that with equity growth. Over time, your mortgage decreases, property value increases, and rents usually increases too. Wealth builds quietly but consistently. Why self-management worked for me? A lot of beginners ask, should I hire a property manager? My answer is, if you're starting, learn the system first. Understand tenant behavior. Understand contracts. Understand your cash flow. And so by managing my own rentals, I save management fees. I understood my investments deeper. I improved my decision making. Self management gave me self control. Later, when scale demands it, outsourcing becomes strategic. Let's be honest. Some days are stressful. Unexpected repairs, late rent situations, paperwork, tenant questions. There are moments you start thinking, is this even worth it? Then you look at the equity built, the growing cash flow, the assets that's working for your future, and you realize you are building something beyond your job income. You are building financial stability. Imagine 5 years from now. You bought your first rental property, then your second, then you refinanced, then you reinvested. Now your properties generate income. Your equity grew. Your lifestyle isn't dependent on one paycheck. That's the power of starting early and staying consistent. If you're in Canada and feel stuck wondering how to start simple. Study your market, talk to lenders, analyze one property, learn tenant screening. Your action creates clarity. Comment start if you want more content about building wealth through real estate, and follow for more insights on investing, mindset, and become financially independent through real estate.